friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you how to make a 50 watt emergency light. Now let's get started. Friend, to make this project, I am using 50 watt LED panel. There is LED panel. I am to operate this light, I am using 12 watt lithium ion battery. There is lithium ion battery with BMS. And to mount all these parts, I am using a wooden box. There is wooden box. Now let's start to make our project. And I will mount this light in this wooden box. I will fix with light with screws. Friend, light has been fixed with the help of screws. Now let's time for connection. There is 12 volt battery. Friend, there is positive wire of battery. Positive wire will be directly connected to battery, and between this I will fix the on off switch button. Friend, there is on off switch button. That positive wire directly connect to battery and negative wire will be connect between the button wire. Friend, all connection has been done. Now let's close this. So friends, finally 50 watt light has been ready to use. Now let's time for testing. Friend, you can see the power of light. So friends, that's the project of my 50 watt LED light. If you like this project, then subscribe, like and